Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I am here with day 9 of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, and this is kind of an extension that's carried over by a month. Anywho, this is where I am following along with the RTS cut apart or cut ups series that she is doing over on her Patreon. If you are interested in following along, you can subscribe to her channel on Patreon for $1 a month. Equals out to $12 a year. Yeah, not much at all. Totally worth the content. You get access to it all. There are no levels that I can see on her channel. Yeah, it's just a really nice place to play around. So you can see I kind of have everything spread out here as I'm preparing to start the layout. So I have pulled everything that I think I might use or I might use into this mess on my desk, so we'll see. Let me show you around. I've pulled out butterflies, of course, because that's where part of my inspiration came from. So I have all these butterflies. I have embellishments here. I have stickers. I have this sticker sheet, this one, of course this one, it is from Pink Paisley. I have my washi stickers. I have these Jenny Bolin stickers, and I have enamel dots and hearts, some wood veneer, houses and hearts. And then let me move all of that to the side, and you can see here I have 3 different types of washi tape. I have the brown, the red, and the blue and the green, the mix there. I'm going to put those right back where I had them so I remember. I have my photos laid out, and I have bits of ephemera here. You can see a wood veneer frame with some little pieces that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. I have some different ephemera there. There's a tag, and then I have a pocket page card here, and here's my paper back here. This one I did pull in. This sheet is, I don't know how much by 12. This one is, I don't know how much by, I think it's 3 by 12, and this one is 4 by 12. But this one, this one, this one, and this one were in the paper that I had cut down for this layout. And so I might cut this in half to use to divide this paper here, because I have this one here. I might cut this in half and use a piece here, or I just might use this and cut it and put it on both sides and then put that other one back in my stash. But then again, I may do something different. This little ephemera stack has, again, a wood veneer frame. It has a cut apart or a tag. Lots of little bits and pieces from my stash. It has a 4x6 pocket page card and a journal spot, mostly for that edge. The background paper is from Basic Gray. I did pull in a couple of these border strips that I had pulled in from that pack that I had added in. These are Basics by Basic Gray, and they're from 2009. I bought a packet of these. They are one-sided. So I plan to use this as my background, and I have 2 sheets of this. I think the paper pack that I purchased had 2 of each. So I've got this twice, and I'm going to use that for my background. Let me move all this stuff back over on there, and then I'll show you what's in that last little cluster. And you'll see when I get everything glued in what all I'm going to do. I have, again, the frame with the wood veneer frame, and then lots of little bits and pieces of ephemera here that I have pulled in from my color bins. So yeah, we'll see. I have some leftover paper. I have some alphabet tiles, and I think for this one I want to try this tile that has, or this font that has the map print on it for the birthday celebration. These are all photos of my son's birthday, and because I have done the other photos from that birthday with this collection that I have put together, I thought I might as well do these too. These are the last of those birthday photos from his 32nd birthday. So give me a few minutes and I will be back to show you what I have created. Alright friends, I am done with another layout number 9, and let me show you what I did not use. I did not use these wood veneer houses and hearts. Yeah, just didn't find a place for them. Did not use these washi strips. I did not use this little piece of ephemera that I had pulled out. I didn't use these. I tried, y'all. I'm hoping to get those used up. And I did not use, I started to use this, and I have this great long piece here. It's stuck to my desk. I had it pulled out, I had it taped down, and then I didn't end up using it. So I've got it stuck here in case I find a reason to use it on a different layout. So that washi tape will go back into my stash again. What I did use, you know, I had that piece that was 1 inch wide. I cut it in half, and I had this piece that did not match the other piece. So what I did was I'll put this back in my stash to use for another project, and then I used the one that I had pulled in extra along with half of that one. These are the pocket page cards that I had. That was previously a cutoff, and then this one had the phrase on this side with the tab, and I cut that off to use. So those will go back into my stash as well. I did use hearts, enamel hearts. I did use both sets of enamel dots, though not many. I did use the flat back pearls. I did use these washi strips, and I did use these butterflies. I used that scallop piece that I had here on this sticker sheet. And look it, I used up the last 3, and I have 2 little scraps here. I don't know if I'll use them on another layout, but I'm not ready to get rid of them just yet. And I did use this alphabet, and I did use both of these washi tapes. So I have a 2-pager here. So let me pull it apart and show you what I created. And it's similar to what I had laid out prior to starting. My title is here. It says Party Time. I left myself some space here to journal with, but let me show you around the page. So you can see I have the wood veneer, I have one of those stickers, I have a butterfly with another sticker butterfly, then all the little ephemera bits here. There's that one sticker there, a tag there with an enamel dot, and then that cutout there. And then I used that edging there for the notebook edge from that journal piece. There's that other one, that 4x6. I cut it down and put a piece here with my date on. I used little dots that had maps, but right in the center of those dots I used hearts. There's a washi strip and a half there, and you can see my washi strip, my washi tape here, then that border strip there. There's that cut piece there, and then here's the other one here. It goes all the way down. My border strip that I took from that one sheet, butterfly with flat back pearls. Oh, and there's a piece of paper, another sticker, another tag, enamel heart, lots of ephemera there. And again, wood veneer frame with that sticker. There's the other piece of that journal spot, and there's the journal spot that I cut down, and all that ephemera there. So this layout is done, and these are the final pages for my son's birthday party. So I will have close-ups at the end if you're interested in sticking around to see those. Also, if you're interested in seeing other layouts that I've created along the way with this one, check out my playlist called May 2022, or the one called Counterfeit Kit Challenge on my playlist page, and it will have all the layouts that I've created as well. Anyway, guys, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. If you choose to, that's fine. If you choose not to, that's fine. And I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.